2018 Acura RLX review. In a number of ways, the 2018 Acura RLX is a brilliant buy for commuters. It has a useful standard security measures, good crash test ratings, and excellent fuel economy estimates. However, the RLX's uninspiring performance and interior styling lower its appeal and overall weighting in RS. New for 2018. Refreshed interior and exterior styling. All-new 10-speed automatic transmission standard. Traffic jam assist now standard. Pros and cons. Comfortable, spacious seats. Refined, fuel-efficient powertrains. Lots of standard safety measures. Small trunk, no folding rear seats. Unexciting handling and firm ride. Dull interior styling. Acura affords the choice coming from a gasoline and also a hybrid powertrain to the 2018 RLX. Both feel refined and smooth, have excellent fuel economy ratings, and so are powerful enough to maneuver this large luxury sedan without difficulty. While the RLX possesses an adequate volume of agility, it may not be very sporty or engaging. It also doesn't offer as comfortable of your ride as some competitors. The RLX has a 3.5-liter V6 engine which has a 310 horsepower rating. New for 2018 is really a 10-speed automatic transmission replacing the first soared 6-speed gearbox. The powertrain inside RLX Sport Hybrid adds 3 electric motors for the V6 engine, which increases total system output to 377 horsepower. It features a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Both models feel polished and also have enough chance to easily tackle all of your daily driving needs, though quite a few test drivers the RLX doesn't feel sporty. It is economical, though. The gasoline RLX gets 20 miles per gallon inside city and 29 miles per gallon on the streets, that is one from the highest ratings in your luxury large cars. With the RLX Sport Hybrid, fuel economy increases to 2,829 miles per gallon city highway. The non-hybrid RLX is really a front-wheel drive sedan. It comes standard with Acura's Precision All-Wheel Steer PAWS, in abbreviation. On curvy roads, the PAWS system turns the spine wheels slightly to raise stability. Test drivers are split on the effectiveness on this system, though most repeat the RLX includes a respectable volume of agility. The RLX Sport Hybrid doesn't feature the PAWS system. Nonetheless, it does feature Acura's super handling all-wheel drive SH-AWD system. The 2018 Acura RLX has spacious, comfortable seats and lots of ordinary features. There's more room from the back seat compared to many on the RLX's competitors, however its trunk size falls within the opposite end in the spectrum. The dual-screen infotainment method is not as high-tech or user-friendly as some. For many, the styling also results in as lackluster. The RLX seats 5 people on standard leather seats. A leather-wrapped leather and heated, 12-way power-adjustable front seats may also be standard. Ventilated front seats, heated outboard rear seats, plus a heated tire are included within the RLX Sport Hybrid. For securing child safety seats, the RLX has 2 tether anchors as well as sets of lower anchors inside the back seat. Passengers in the front and also the back seats produce an agreeable level of room. There are supportive cushions all over. A shortage of floor space along with the shape with the cushions limits the comfort with the second row's middle seat, but otherwise, adults can comfortably sit in a choice of zone. Standard interior features within the RLX include an automatic climate control, a moonroof, proximity key entry, and push-button start. The infotainment technique is composed of an upper 8-inch display, a cheaper 7-inch touchscreen, navigation, smartphone integration, voice recognition, a 14-speaker head unit, a USB port, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and HD radio. A multi-view camera, adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and blind spot monitoring are standard. The RLX Sport Hybrid also features a premium 14-speaker Krell unit, front and back parking sensors, a head-up display, as well as a surround view camera. The RLX's dual-screen infotainment system includes a steep learning curve. Even after you're accustomed to it, the interface might be more complicated to make use of than some rivals. The sheer volume of ordinary features with this car is impressive, though add-ons like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto usually are not available.